is Tembo Global Service Limited. I am Li Xiuliang, and I'm alive in 2014 Lagos International Trade Fair. Welcome to Tembo Global.
Yeah, welcome to Tembo International. Tembo Global Services, we have a range of products including solar energy. We are the master in solar energy, master in CCTV camera. When you are looking for CCTV camera, when you are looking for solar energy, Tembo Global is the best. I don't want anybody to go to anywhere apart from Tembo Global. We offer you the best solution in Nigeria. We offer you the best solution when it comes to solar energy. Don't go to anywhere. Look at Tembo Global. We are located in Ogurujare. You have to come there and be part of the energy solution. Tembo Global is here to give you any kind of product you want. We also have a wireless CCTV camera that can capture the range of 40 meters ahead of you. We also have a camera that is sensorless that can capture any visitor that come to your house. Whenever you are not around, the sensor will capture the camera, the visitors, and wait for you. We also have a product that we can you don't even believe. We have a power bank product, a solar power bank product that you want to have in your home. That you don't need a solar anywhere, you don't need electricity to charge your phone. But with your solar power bank in your hand, you can charge your phone in any way you go. You can do your business with solar power bank. You can also have a solar energy on stove. Very soon, Tembo Global is introducing into Nigeria a solar stove that you will cook in your solar energy without going to buy a gas. Save your money in your pocket. Save your money in anywhere. Come to Tembo Global. Have solar energy of different kind, and you'll be glad you come to Tembo Global. It's located at number 10 Agbaje Close, Ogurujare, Lagos. That is where you can.
You're live at the stand of Tembo Global Services Limited. Tembo Global Services is into solar energy and CCTV camera. I'll be speaking with the MD of Tembo Global Services, and they'll be talking about the range of products they have in Tembo Global Services. Hello, Mr. Lil. All right, can you talk about your products and services?
Okay, thank you. This is our product. We call it solar panel. This panel can be used for your private house and solar lamp, and also for that for base station, all that places. For example, our products like this one is 200 watts, and it can load batteries and refrigerators, all these things for private use. Yeah.
So this is a solar panel for private use and can be used by individuals instead of generator, instead of electricity. That if there's no generator or electricity, you can use the solar panel. All right.
What I would advise Nigerians and the whole world is come to Tembo Global, the key to energy success. Generator is no more in solar. Bring it upstairs, put it up, let the sun just touch the solar energy. Let the sun just touch the plate, and the solar started. And when it starts, there is no need for you to use a generator. Let them be bye-bye to generator. Let us imbibe, let us key into the new evolution of solar energy in Nigeria. And that is Tembo Global Services.
You. For example, this is outdoor using camera, and that one is indoor CCTV camera. And this one is monitoring, and this one is hard equipment for this CCTV system. We can see if you are worried about your house security, so you can contact with us talking about this business, talking about CCTV system. And Tembo Global gave the best price to Nigeria people. This camera, for this one, we can connect to our network. For example, if you want to monitor your house you can use, you can monitor your house by internet. For example, this one is we connect to Swift 4G brand. This camera can connect to switch and then to internet. Then you can monitor your house, your private place.
It's a wonderful product. It's wireless. Go to UK, go to America, go to anywhere in the world. You CCTV, you can use this wireless to throw your phone to monitor your house. Anywhere you are in Nigeria, anywhere you are in the country or outside the country, just wire it on the internet. Touch your phone, everywhere in your house, you will be monitoring them. No armed robber will come to your house because already you have the wireless. So you don't need to go and look for security elsewhere. But what you need to look for is Tembo Global that will give you the best product of wireless. With this CCTV camera wireless, either you are home, you are in America, in your company, you are not around, anywhere you are, we connect this CCTV camera to internet. What you just need to do is touch your phone. Your company will be shown to you in your phone. Your house will be shown to you in your phone. Anything you can think of will be shown to you in your phone with this wireless CCTV camera. Okay, I want to introduce another product to you. This is a power bank solar energy. It is used to charge a phone. It's a multiple charger. You don't need to go and look for electricity again. What you need to do is just to get this from Tembo Global. Anywhere you are, charge your phone. It can last you for the period of 1 week. Can last you anywhere you are going. In the night, it will last you. In the daytime, you can use this power bank. It is solar. Whenever it is daytime, just put it on like this. It is charging already. So in the night, continue to use it. You don't have problem. As far as you are using a product from Tembo Global, we are providing this product to Nigerians. Come and enjoy this product. It's solar. Don't need to look for electricity again. Look for solar energy. We are the provider of this product. This is a solar lamp. What you need to do, just put it on and begin to use it. You don't need to go and cry for light again in your house. If there is no light, you don't need to go and look for kerosene. You don't need to look for anything. What you need to do, just put this on and it's charging already because there is solar power already here. So what you need to do, just on it at night. It is multiple. You can charge it on electricity, you can leave it, you can charge it on the sun. So what you need to do, just put it on at night, it is charging already. You got the light already in your house. So with solar energy, I said your house is brighter. With solar energy, I said you are moving forward because this is the light. When you have the light, you don't have problem. So Tembo Global has come to provide you with all the solar energy you can think of. We are here in Nigeria and we continue to move this country forward. This is an inverter. Please, you don't need electricity to charge this inverter. As far as the day is bright, it is charging already. So what you need to do, just take it to your home and use it. You don't need anything to charge it. Please, don't use electricity. Just use the solar energy. And I can tell you, Tembo Global is here to provide you all these services. Thank you.
Hello everyone, you've heard it all. Tembo Global Services has come to provide we Nigerians all solar energy products just for your use. No need to worry about electricity, no need to worry about generator, no need to bother about electricity again because Tembo Global Services has come to stay in Nigeria. Right now I'm with the managing directors of Tembo here in Nigeria. Hello, can you please tell us your name and your company?
My name is Li Xiu Liang, the full name. You can call me Li from Tembo Global Service Limited.
And you?
The sales director of Tembo Global Services.
Alright, where can we get your company? Where can we locate your office in Nigeria?
Our office is located at number 10 Joe Akpati Close, Oguru, Jare, Lagos. But we are very live on Trade Fair, Lagos International Trade Fair.